Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, That Girl Plummy, and I'm back with another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to do stew oxtail burnt sugar method.
Right into it, okay? I'm gonna go in with some vinegar, and I'm still going in with lime, okay? And we're gonna wash up that meat. Wash up our meat nicely and get it ready. All right, and I'm gonna go in with my Jamaican Easispice. This is the jerk seasoning. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with Dash, salt free, and I need 2 tablespoons because it is salt free. Then I like to use Complete Goya, and I'm gonna go in with some of that. Sorry, I'm gonna go in with some of that. I need a tablespoon of that. One of my favorites, y'all know that. Okay, 2 tablespoons. And my adobo Goya, I need a tablespoon of that. My Italian herbs. And one of my favorite salt, guys. This is, you know, they said this is the best, so I tried it and I like it, okay? And just salt to taste. And my last thing, my jerk season mix, Walkerswood. You can definitely go in and blend this on your own, or blend the green season on your own, or whatever. But this is how I'm gonna start my thing, all right? And then I go in with my ginger. And then I give this a nice rub. Rub it up, guys, okay? Season up your meat, flavor it up. And for the other part of my seasoning, I'm going to show y'all how I do it. And now I'm finished rubbing on my seasoning. Now guys, I'm going to do burnt sugar method. On my YouTube channel I went ahead and I did the brown stew method, but this one, sorry, the browning in the bottle, okay? I did this one before, but in this one I'm going to do brown sugar method, so stay tuned. I'm going to go ahead and let this marinate. All right, yes,
I'm using the burnt sugar method. Like I said, please be careful when you're using burnt sugar method, because if you use too much sugar, then your meat will be bitter. So go ahead and allow it to caramelize properly, and keep on spinning it so it won't burn, okay? Now for this part, you want to keep stirring your meat until every piece is nicely coated with the caramelized sugar, okay? And I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. You're going to see how it turns out, all right? Stay tuned, guys. So guys, this is what I'm talking about. Keep stirring, and please do not add no water as yet into your meat. I'm the same person who always talk about adding water. Do not add no water. Just keep stirring that meat until everything is nicely coated with the caramelized sugar. Keep doing it just as I'm doing it right now, okay? Keep doing it. And right here, after I finish stirring this meat, I am going to cover it. All right, cover it and let it stew down, and it's gonna spring its own water. All right, this is the part where I'm gonna add my water. Do not cover your meat with the water, okay? Just put a little bit where it's not sticking to the bottom. We want nice stew oxtail, we don't want boiled oxtail. All right, stir it down nicely. Super sorry that I have to take out the original sound. My background is way too noisy. You wouldn't hear a thing I said. But anyway, add your cut up seasoning. Put a little bit more, a teaspoon more of the blended jerk seasoning. Stir your meat, guys. Add your ketchup. Add all the things. Taste your. Don't be afraid to taste your meat as you go. You want your meats to nice and flavorful. Add salt if you needed to. Anything at this moment, because now we're gonna make some gravy. All right, yes, my people.
All right, y'all, this is the end of my oxtail right here. Okay, you know, turn out the pot. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, y'all. Okay, nice homemade oxtail. Okay, yes, y'all, and that's the end. Thank you so much for watching.